Before, this has been sort of the passion project of academics, and now it's becoming formal.
Yeah, I mean, this was a project formed by academics at UC Berkeley, and they had been working on this. It had gotten super popular. A lot of companies use it to test new and unreleased models. A lot of people use it to try out the latest and hopefully greatest models. And they wanted to make it more than just an academic project. They wanted to scale up. To do that, you need to get money. To do that, you often need to be a company. So yeah, it's growing up in a sense.
Growing up, and more people are using it. You've got on this graphic 2.8 million user votes. How are people approaching it and making the most of the recommendations that it offers?
So people, I think, who are individuals are using it to try things out, get a sense of what they like, what they don't. I mean, really, this is sort of vibes-based ranking, I guess I would say. Yeah, one of the key things that you can do on this website is try two different chatbots. You are not knowing what they are. You type in a prompt, and then you rate which answer you like better. And based on that, the chatbots will go up or they will go down on the leaderboard there. I think companies increasingly see this as a really important marker of how well users like their models. And so that could be really valuable to them, this kind of data. Typically, this data is actually really hard for companies to get on their own. So having it be available publicly is quite useful.
OpenAI, I think, GPT-4o, it released it on the Arena before it went out more broadly, right?
So what some companies are doing is they will put models on there and they'll have code names, so you won't know exactly what they are, perhaps. I mean, you might be able to guess pretty well. I mean, there have been some that I've seen on there that I'm like, I know where you're coming from. Um, but yeah, it's really increasingly valuable. And OpenAI has done this a number of times, put up models that are unreleased, and people can try them out. They might not know where they're coming from, but they might be from OpenAI.
And just tell us about the people at UC Berkeley that are behind this and whether they become the executives in now what will be a company, a formal one.
Yeah, so this was a project out of Jan Stoika's Sky Computing Lab at UC Berkeley, and a bunch of graduate students worked on it, and undergraduate students helped with it as well. And a number of the graduate students, along with Jan, are going to be the co-founders of it. And I think they're still trying to figure out who's going to have what role in the company. But yeah, some of them will have C-level titles.